It's Joel's favorite acorn cake recipe. Add 4 cups of leached acorn meal into a bowl. Add 3 teaspoons of baking powder and mix it all up. Add 3 tablespoons of olive oil into a separate bowl with 1 banana and 3/4 cup applesauce. Mash it all together real good. There we go. Blend it together as best as you can and then pour it into the acorn meal and baking powder mixture. Once that's all mixed together, it almost is like clay, and you can put that into 2 pie tins. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees. You're going to cook it for 30 minutes. And voila! The acorn cake is ready. It's going to be dense and moist. I really like serving it with butter or prickly pear jam, but feel free to experiment. What do you think?
It's good.